Alright, here we are at James A. Reed. It's 8:02. Got a late start this morning, the day after the 4th. Moving Mark in yesterday and stuff, but take the boys down here every single morning. We do our mile and a half. It's about all they can muster on a Monday through Friday. We go longer on the weekends, but you know, after the morning workout and stuff, I give them a little workout. Just nice to set the tone for the day, and I just love coming down here. I've been coming here for 20 odd years, but yeah, we got all these little lakes here, man-made lakes at James A. Reed, and we've had just this tremendous, unreal amounts of rain over the last couple days here. Especially yesterday was just unreal. I think there were times we were getting over an inch an hour. That's the rainfall rate. It was crazy. But as you can see by these trees are not usually in the water. That's grass usually, and the lake is moved around this way. You follow with me here. Geese look happy. They enjoy it. But yeah, we come around this way. Just go for a little ride here this morning with me. Pretty good sized little lake to begin with, but it is vastly expanded over the last 48 hours. This poor guy's trying to fish, and I guess he finally gave it up. But again, this big old tree right here, this big old, I think it's an elm tree. That's not usually in the water. These trees, this shoreline is well into the area where people usually standing, fishing, doing stuff. Like I say, this little lake has greatly expanded over the last 48 hours. I just thought you guys would get a kick out of this, like just to see how much rain we've gotten on top of the rain we got all spring, like we needed anymore, right? But yeah, this is quite amazing, quite amazing. Dobby wants to get out of the car because I've discovered in the last 6 months, Dobby's actually quite the water dog. He actually loves to jump in water. He sees bodies of water and he jumps right in. It's kind of funny, but I didn't expect him to be that way. But yeah, like I said, I just figured I'd show you guys. Also, just so you can see how dark the sky is here. Like I said, we'd be almost 4 hours into daylight by this point. I mean, the sun starts coming up now here about by 5, so for 3 hours into daylight, and it looks like dusk again. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys all later, and hope you all had a great 4th.